I'm back with a new series. So, the most common question that I get is how to get client all over again and again and again. And honestly, I don't really like, just filming new videos for the sake of doing so and giving you the same exact advice. So, how about that I take on the challenge with you? For this reason, I'm starting a new series, Reborn as a Newbie, where I'll share with you exactly what I have been doing since day one in a new niche I know nothing about. I decided to pick the roofing niche because the majority of them have shitty websites, but also for these reasons. First one, I did a keyword research. So you can do that. Also, just go ahead and create a SEMrush account and you get like I think 20 search or 10. I don't really know, but let me give you the example here. So I went ahead and I looked for the keyword toiture Montréal, and this means basically roofer Montreal or roof Montreal, whatever. And we can see here the volume. The intent is commercial because people who are looking for this keyword are looking for people who can sell them this particular service. So we can see that there's 290 search per Google per month on Google. The keyword difficulty is fairly easy. Then we have another one, but this is basically plural in French. And then this is a suburb. This is same thing, like just kind of similar keyword, but on and all, very good volume. So pretty decent. Then on the English version, so that could be applicable for uh, people who speak English here in Quebec. They're kind of crazy with this. You have to speak French thing, but entrepreneurs don't really give a shit about it. Anyway, the keyword is roofer Montreal, and as you can see here, the volume is even bigger than in French. So it's 480 queries per month. So that basically means there are 480 people looking for this particular keyword per month. The keyword difficulty very easy, and you can see all the other keywords. This is crazy. Olympic Stadium Montreal roof. What the fuck is this? Montreal metal roofing rooftop restaurant Montreal. This is not for us. Roofing companies Montreal. This is good. So this is to assess and understand if there are people, basically clients of your target client, that are looking for their service. That could, like, let's say you take, uh let me see here, fitness studio. Okay, you want to do web design for fitness studio, then you go to SEMrush and you search for, what is it called? I forgot the name. Damn. Yeah, fitness studio near me, or fitness studio nearby, whatever that might be. You just plug the keyword and do your research. Whenever it's 100 and more, I'd say this is pretty decent because out of those 100, your client need two, three client from those queries, and they're profitable. So you can use those on your pitch as well whenever you learn SEO. And this is what I'm going to do. So I have SEO as an unfair advantage, but I have to use it to my advantage because nothing and no one is keeping you from learning SEO at the end of the day. Okay. So if you learn it, good for you. Also, second point on why I chose roofing, because there's a lack of local specialized agencies. Basically, a web design agency that specializes with roofing companies. So you see here, roofer web design. This is basically someone who has a roofing company who is looking for web design. And you can see this is very important because here just in Canada, okay, roofing web design, 20 per month. You could have 20 organic leads per month. I'm going to create a website live on YouTube with you for my new quote unquote agency that is going to rank on Google by mid July. I'm telling you, especially now, like it's the summertime, so I'm kind of going crazy with it because uh, my med spa niche is kind of all settled down with it. I already have my templates, my SOPs. I can manage upward to 5, 10 clients at the same time. Nothing really crazy about it. So now I have the bandwidth to work on a new niche. And this is, again, very good for you. What I would have done here with the fitness studio. So you come back here and say, fitness studio web design. Are there people looking for this? Also, let's say for my previous niche, what I was doing is I looked for med spa web design, and then I saw there are people looking for med spa web design agencies. But here, no one in my city is doing this. So if you're watching this and you want to like go ahead and get into it, then by any means, please do it. I like competition. It's all good with that. So with that being said, I'm ready to take over this niche in my local area ASAP. What you're reading here is my upcoming crash course on how you can land your first frame client in 45 days. I know my course was 90 days, but that was because there are a lot of other things that were covered at the same time. But here, there's no project management. I don't show you anything else except how to get your client. This is what I show you in this crash course. And I'm basically doing it live. So by Friday, this will be ready. But here we are on week one. I selected my niche. Okay. Basically, I did that on the same day. Today, I decided to go with roofing. Then I started designing a base template that I'm going to use for my method. And what I say here for the for day number one, okay? So you have to select your niche and gather inspiration. By gathering inspiration, what I mean by that is looking for other websites in your industry. For me, it's roofing. So what I did is I went to dribble.com and I went to Pinterest and I looked for roofing website. Okay. And then I picked those that I like the most, and this is what I come up with. Okay. So here you have my board. So this is like in Montreal, shitty websites. Like it's all crazy to me that they all have shitty websites. So selling them something new won't be that difficult, to be fair. So yeah, those are all my inspirations. I really like those. What I see here is like there's a lot of orange. I really love this one as well. So what I do when I design something is I just pull a lot of things from different sections and I put all of this together. So this is a hero section that I got from the community. So in Figma community, you just look for hero section Figma and then you can find it. And what I do is I just took this one and then this image that you're seeing here is me. Let me find it. Where is it? So yeah, in lexica.art, I generated with AI basically, and this is the prompt. You can share that all of that in the future, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep this short. And so I gathered inspiration pretty much everywhere, okay, and then I picked a lot of things from different websites and put them together. So I took this one here, put it here, okay. Then this layout for the hero, really liked it, so I picked it and put it here as well. Then from this one, what I did is just copy paste this section, get your free quote, and then I put it here. As simple as that. And then what I did here, I like this one, so screenshotted it. Here you have it, and then pass it here. So now I have kind of a unique hero section that I did by copy pasting from different websites. It is what it is. And then what I can also do here, I really like this separation. So I can come here, and then the way that I can do that is adding here stroke on the bottom. So that will be outside, and then here one. Okay, and then here we can have line. So that would be 0. Oh no, 90%, 90% degrees percent. My goodness. Okay. And then we have another one here. And then, yeah, just plug it to the top. Let me see if that looks a little bit similar. So I'll just add this like this, and then this one is gonna be fill container. Same for this one, fill container. All right, so now I have it. Like this is my hero section. Tomorrow I'm going to finish this entire, like my entire homepage, and then by day 3 I'm going to start reach out. Like I'm going to start redesigning shitty. Here you have it, like a shitty roofer in Montreal in my local area, and then I'm gonna start sending them messages. And I'm gonna sell this for at least $2,000. I'm telling you, I'm not one's gonna say that I have another company that I do web design whatsoever. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna send them the design. And do you want it? Okay, 2K. Don't you want it? I don't care. Moving forward. So now that you see here, this is only the first version. I'm going to create different variation with different layout. So I can change this for the other way. I can put this on top here instead of here, and then I can put this here on the bottom. Crazy, crazy different variation that you can do, like unlimited variation. This was done in like 30 minutes or so. But even the hero section, like if I just do the hero section, and underneath it, actually this is something that I'm going to try, I think. Instead of doing the entire homepage, I just do the hero section, and underneath it is my calendar telling that, oh, do you want the entire website? Book a call. Crazy like that, easy peasy. And then I'm also going to try on the bottom, okay, do you want the website, entire website? Click here, buy 50% deposit, and then you'll receive the remaining after. Anyway, this is a process I'm gonna refine moving forward, but on and all, I'm ready to move. Like day 1, tomorrow, I'm gonna finish this. Day 3, ready to rumble, and we'll see how long it's gonna take me to sell my first website. 10K is nothing, right? Because that's like what, 5? That's 5 times, yeah, times 2K, that's 10K. So I need to sell 5 roofing websites. Stop kidding me. Like in 45 days I'm going to do that, and I'm going to document everything. So you basically have zero 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 excuse, okay? You just have to basically follow what I'm doing. Like, and if I fail, which is honestly slim chance of happening, and then we learn together. And so it is what it is. This logo also did it real quick, with just a typography. As I told you, like I don't really overcomplicate nothing here. And yeah, this is basically showing as a roof, proof roof. Sounded good, so I name it like that. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna update you. I don't think if I'll do daily videos. I'll try, but honestly, I don't think it's a good idea because I have to do the work. Perhaps I can film quick videos just sharing what I have done in the day, and you can join the challenge completely for free. Okay, like just follow what I'm doing, and yes, I'll be selling something. Here, the guy, where is it? Uh, yeah. Yeah, I'll be selling this for $37. But this is basically just like the entire outline from start to finish with all of my strategies, my script, my DM script, my email script, everything from start to finish. But at the end of the day, you're not obligated to buy it. You can follow me on YouTube, and I assure you, you can you can obtain the same results. You'll buy this thing out of charity at the end of the day, but it will help you 1,000%. With that being said, I'll see you maybe tomorrow, but I'll keep you posted. I'm telling you, this is something crazy that is going on, and I'm very stoked because I won in a new challenge, and this is a great new challenge for me. So yeah, very excited.